This is a Pride Victory Sport scooter. This is a brand new scooter here. This is not a used one. I'm going to give you like a 5-minute demonstration on this scooter. This scooter here is brand new. The benefits of the Pride Victory Sport is that this scooter goes 8 miles an hour. So if you're looking for a fast scooter, 4-wheel, this goes 8 miles an hour. This scooter has full suspension in the front, full suspension in the back, so you got a full suspension scooter, 8 miles an hour. You also have the captain's seat, which is the high quality seat. It feels like leather, but it's not. This is a nice vinyl seat. It's 18 by 18. It's a swivel seat, so you can swivel the seat. We've got 18 by 18, high back with an adjustable headrest. The arms are adjustable. The seat, as I said, it's a swivel seat. The seat is an adjustable seat. There's a handle here, so you can flip the seat all the way down. This is as far down as it would go. The headrest will come off. And also it's adjustable back here a little bit. The arms are adjustable. They do go up. And they also go out. There's a little lever in the back here. You can pull this lever and the arms can extend out whatever width you need if you need more width. This Pride Victory Sport scooter comes with 10-inch solid tires. They're 10 by 3 inches. What's nice about this is that the tires are wide. You can see the width of the tire right here. And they're solid tires, high quality tires. You can see the suspension in the front. There's 2 shocks in the front. There should also be 2 in the back. You have a solid basket that's unbreakable. This is the newest type of plastic baskets. They are removable, so if you want to remove them, and then they go back on, they snap back on. This scooter does come with headlights. It comes with tail lights. So, I'm going to turn the key on, that would help. You can see the LED light right here. I'm going to turn the lights so you can see. So you've got your LED lights there. And you've also got, back here, you've got tail lights over here. You can see them over there under the seat. There's lights under the seats. So those are those. And then we've also got these right here for blinking lights. And we've also got flashers. There are your flashers, your orange flashers, and your grill lights are there. So you've got flashers. You got everything on this scooter. So it's equipped with all the lights that you need. I'm going to back it up over here again. Turn the lights off. So we have the lights off now. This, if you look at the tiller, this is called the tiller right here. This tiller is adjustable. There's a little handle here that you turn. If you turn it enough, you can adjust in any position you want. So if you needed more room to get out, you could go all the way over there. Just turn the handle. Make sure you tighten it good, and then you have it good. This is called a delta tiller. So if you look at the front of this scooter, this is called a delta tiller. So you can drive this scooter with one hand. So if you want to go forward, you just pull forward. And if you want to go back, you put your hand on top. So you can drive this scooter with one hand on the right or one hand on the left also. On your tiller here, you've got your speed knob right here. You've got 2 speeds here. This button, you may not be able to see it. It says 8 miles an hour or 4 miles an hour. So if you have it right here at 4 miles an hour, that's the top speed. If you flip it to 8 miles an hour, you'll have full speed. Your battery gauge, the batteries are full. You can see the red, orange, and green, they're full. Your headlights, your flashers, your horn, and you have 2 keys. Alright, so far we have covered the scooter. This is a 4-wheel scooter. It does have a weight capability of 350 pounds. 350 pound weight capability. Very sharp screw. This is a little bit of the this is on the higher end of Pride Mobility's 4-wheel scooter because of the suspension, the speed, and all the extra accessories with this scooter. This scooter also has a sliding seat. What that means is there's another lever on this side. You can slide the seat forward. So if you want to sit real close or you want to sit back here, which is more normal position, it does have a sliding seat. Okay? Also with this scooter, you have the basket, which I mentioned is an unbreakable basket. You've got the lights, 350-pound weight capability. It's a 4-wheel scooter. The length of this scooter from here to the front is 47 inches. So if you're going to buy a carrier, make sure 47 inches from front wheel to back wheels here is 47 inches. The scooter itself is 26 inches wide. From here to the other side, the widest part of your scooter is 26 inches wide. So it's a really sharp looking scooter. It does come apart. I'm going to try to give you a demonstration how it comes apart. It's really not a portable scooter, but if you had to and you have the muscle, you could take it apart. So what I would do here first is turn the power off. If you're going to take the seat off, fold your seat down like this. And usually you can just pull straight up on the seat. And this seat probably weighs, there's no weight in the manual, but it probably weighs about 35 pounds. So there's your seat right here. Then you have your cover right here. That's on Velcro, so you need that. You can hear it. Pull the cover out. And now you've got your 2 batteries. This scooter comes with 40 amp batteries. This scooter will give you about 11 miles on a battery charge. So it does have 40 amp batteries. It always takes 2 batteries. So what you would do next, you would disconnect just a little rope here that sits above the batteries. The batteries disconnect right here. Pull and pull. Now you've got 1 battery that comes out. You got 1 battery here. The battery's about 30 pounds because they're deep cycle batteries. So now you've got your 2 batteries out. The next thing you would do, take your basket off, bring your tiller down. Okay, you don't want to bring it all the way down so you don't scratch it, don't damage. You want to bring it so it's just sitting there. Like all Pride mobility scooters, there's a little handle here. If you see the handle, all you have to do is pull the handle up. So what I usually do is I hold the post and I pull the handle. And watch, look at this. All right? So now you've got your rear, your front. 68 pounds is the front end. So that's your heavy part. 68 pounds. This is your rear. If you want to see the motor, some of you are very interested in motors. This is a high quality motor. They use a lot of these motors in power chairs. You can see the shock inside here. You can see the yellow shock for the motor. Okay? So that's your rear. This is the part right here that you're going to have 2 people to lift. So as I said, this is 68 pounds. Okay? I would not recommend, unless you have 2 people, then it would be real easy. When you put it back together, all you have to do is raise this up, and you can see the hooks right here where my finger goes through. There's one on each side. Just put them back there, and if you line it up straight, it should, that easy, snap together again. The next thing I would do is put the trailer back up. Put my basket back on. Put my 40 amp batteries back in the slots. It doesn't matter what side you put the batteries. It really doesn't matter. Put it in here. There's 1 battery here. The other one falls right in the slot. And you just have to connect your 2 cables right here right into these slots. You don't want to force them. If they don't go in, don't force them in there. Into the slots, there's little connectors there. Now they're both connected. This rope here goes over the battery. You bring it back over like this. Some people don't even use this. And then you just snap it. Put your little cover. Put the cover in the slots. There's little slots for the cover right here. There's a little extension. Put it in the holes. And then push it backward. And it sits on the Velcros. When you put your seat back on, before we put the seat on, let me talk about this right here. This is your neutral lever. Right now, I cannot push this scooter, but if I move that lever, it's in neutral. So if you ever broke down and you needed to push your scooter back to the car, that's the lever you would use to put it in neutral. Make sure you always put it back in gear, because if it's not in gear, like this, it will not work over here. When you put your seat back on, bring it this way so you can see the male piece. You can see the male piece, you can see where you're going. It should slot, it should fit there in the slot, it should lock itself automatically. Turn your power back on, and you're ready to go again. When you charge your scooter, it'll come with a battery charger right in the box. I'm not going to open that box because this is a brand new charger. So the charger's here. All the manuals are here. I'm just going to use this charger here for an example how to charge it. When you charge it, it's right in the bottom of your tiller. You charge it right here. You put your charger right there. And then you plug it into the wall. And as soon as the light turns green, you're fully charged. These chargers will stop charging automatically when you're full, so you don't have to worry about overcharging. Again, to recap, this is the Pride Victory Sport Scooter that has an 8-mile-an-hour speed, 4-wheeled, full suspension in the front, full suspension in the back. Nice little fenders, by the way, on here. Gives you a little more appearance. Swivel seat, sliding seat, adjustable back, adjustable arms, extended arms this way, adjustable tiller with your knob here, full light package. You even have on here flashers, directional lights. You have 2 keys, 10-inch tires. As I said earlier, this scooter has 40-amp batteries, 2 40-amp batteries, which will give you 11 miles on the battery charge. And it'll go 8 miles an hour. So if you're looking for a scooter with great suspension to get you from A to B really fast, with lights and everything you need to get there, this Pride Victory Sport Scooter is really, really, really a nice one. You should look at this one, and it's ready to go. When you let go, it brakes automatically. Watch. Got a built-in brake. This would be the sharpest you can turn with the scooter. This scooter is very, very stable, very easy to drive with one finger, responds anybody can drive this scooter, 8 miles an hour. As I said, suspension, went through the grass like there was nothing there, and that grass is pretty rough. So I hope this gives you a general idea how much quality there is in this scooter. Pride Mobility makes a really nice product, and their service is beyond. It's just great service with Pride Mobility. So if you get one of these from Pride Mobility, unless you don't use it, you will be very, very happy with it.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.